In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Omnisend email pop-up. It's a straightforward process, and we'll walk through it together step by step. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Omnisend and hit Enter. Look for the official link in the search results and click on it. This will take you to the Omnisend homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to log in to your Omnisend account. If you've used Omnisend before, enter your credentials, your email and password, to access your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, we want to head over to the Forms section. You'll find this option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on it, and it'll open a new area where you can work on creating your pop-up form. Omnisend provides a really handy feature here, which is the Preview and Launch button. Clicking this gives you access to a ready-made form template. If you prefer something quick and simple, you can choose this option to get started right away. However, if you're interested in exploring more options, go ahead and click on View Other Form Types. This will present you with a variety of templates to choose from, allowing you to find one that best suits your style or your brand's aesthetics. After selecting a template, you'll be taken into the drag and drop editor. This tool is incredibly user-friendly and allows you to modify your pop-up with ease. Here, you can edit the text to personalize your message. It's really important to be welcoming and clear about what you're offering. You can also add fields to collect information like email addresses or phone numbers. If you want to make it visually appealing, don't forget that you can include buttons and images, which can really enhance the user experience and capture attention. Customizing the theme settings is another important step. Choose the layout, adjust the width, and add a background image that matches your brand's theme. Once you've fine-tuned the appearance, think about the message visitors will see after they submit the form. This is a great place to express your gratitude or provide additional information about what they can expect next. Now let's move on to the behavior settings. This is where you decide when and where your pop-up will appear. Consider triggers like the amount of time a visitor spends on a page, the scroll depth they've reached, or even exit intent, which is when they're about to leave the page. These options let you customize who sees your pop-up and when. You can specify whether you want it to show up on all devices, just mobile, or only desktops. Finally, consider the frequency settings. Decide how often the pop-up should reappear to visitors who have previously interacted with it. When you're satisfied with both the design and functionality, you'll have a couple of options. You can click Enable to publish the pop-up on your website right away, or, if you're not quite ready, click Save and Close to keep it as a draft for later. And that's it! You've successfully created an email pop-up with Omnisend. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.